Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear so you can make informed buying decisions. Today, we're looking at the 84-inch portable projector screen from Generic, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're someone who enjoys movie nights at home, backyard cinema experiences, or needs a flexible solution for presentations, this screen might just be what you're looking for. At first glance, the screen is impressive. It measures 84 inches diagonally with a 4:3 aspect ratio, making it ideal for traditional video formats, and it supports 4K Ultra HD projection. The wide 178-degree viewing angle ensures everyone gets a clear view, no matter where they're seated. The material itself is a premium matte fabric that promises crisp, bright visuals, whether you're projecting movies, games, or presentations. One of the standout features of this projector screen is its portability. The base is made of a high-density aluminum alloy that's lightweight but sturdy. The entire setup can be folded down into a compact form with a built-in handle, making it easy to carry and transport. Setting it up is a breeze. You can have it ready in seconds without the need for tools. This makes it perfect if you want to move it between rooms, take it outdoors, or even bring it along to an event. In terms of versatility, this screen really shines. Its floor-mounted design means you can use it in any space, from living rooms and classrooms to office presentations or outdoor movie nights. The retractable mechanism is smooth, and the whole unit feels durable and well-constructed, which is crucial if you plan to transport it frequently. The manufacturer, ZCS, also emphasizes customer support. They offer 24-hour professional assistance, which is always reassuring when investing in electronics. The screen weighs 26 pounds, which balances portability with stability. Its overall dimensions are 73.6 inches wide by 78.7 inches high, giving a substantial display area without being overly cumbersome. While this is a manual pull-up screen, the ease of setup and the sturdy, foldable design make it an excellent option for anyone seeking a portable projection solution without the need for complex installations or motorized mechanisms. If you're looking for a product that combines size, portability, and high-quality display, the 84-inch portable projector screen is a strong contender. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're considering upgrading your movie nights or need a flexible presentation solution, this screen deserves a close look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next in-depth product review.